John Kavakis here from My Take, and today we're going to take a look at GLM and Stamp models. Now, GLM was a little bit late to the resin revolution, but when they came, they brought their A game. I'll tell you something, they have been noted for minute detail and excellent finishes right from the get-go. One of the other things you may not know is that they're big supporters of the hobby. They're big supporters of Forum 43. They have, for the last 3 or 4 Chicago shows that we've done, they have sent us prototypes, pre-production samples, that sort of thing, so people can get a look at what's coming down the pike. I just love that kind of stuff. And they're really easy to work with. They're enthusiastic. They love the hobby. They love the people in the hobby. And I got to appreciate the support they give us. Now, the same thing happened for the show we had in Chicago. They sent us a wide variety of what they were coming out with. You know, we know them for domestic cars, in particular for the Stamp line, but they make foreign cars as well, and they do a really good job with them. They do a great job with sports cars and tuners and that sort of thing. So we got a little bit of variety of those here today, and what I want to do is I want to put these on the turntable and give you a close look at them. Again, you got to bear in mind they're pre-production samples, so colors may be different from the standard issue, maybe a little bit of trims different. Certainly the boxing and the badging on the stands and all that isn't complete on these, but this is going to give you a really good idea of what a great job they do on putting a model together. So let's put them on the turntable and take a look at them. The first one I want to look at is a 1976 Toyota Fj55. I don't know if this has been done in 143, but this one is absolutely fantastic, and you have to look at it closely because the original model didn't have a lot of trim on it, but boy, I'll tell you something, they replicate the wheels, all of the little doodads on the side, the vents, the badging, all of the little lights, you know, the badging and on the grill and the tail light, the lensing, it is all just fantastic. The interior is a drop-dead knockout. The second car we have here is a BMW. And this is a MTC designed by Black Sails M235 Virtual Reality Wide Body 2018. Boy, that's a mouthful. I'll tell you something. The graphics on this are just phenomenal. They're really well done. You take a look at those wheels and the brake rotors. They're drilled. They've got drilled brake rotors inside the wheels. Again, lensing, badging, and everything is absolutely perfect. Can't see the interior on this one real well. But if it's a Stamp interior or GLM interior, I'm sure it's really well detailed. Our third car is a 1976 Cadillac Sedan Deville. Now this one's in a nice charcoal color. It's got a textured top and a lighter gray. Looks like vinyl. Again, really well done wheel covers. Excellent lensing. I mean, superb lensing, even to the side marker lights and everything. The tail lights and everything are very well picked out. And again, the interior is just an absolute gem with detailed door panels and handles and realistic looking dash and steering wheel. Absolutely beautiful little model. And our last model, this one is a stunner. This is a 1955 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special in an absolutely stunning blue color. And I got to tell you, the paint is incredibly deep. Look at those wheel covers on that, incredibly detailed wheel covers. Again, the badging, the lensing, everything on this car is just beautiful, even to the point where you look around in the back and you see that they've kind of filled in the exhaust outlets to make them look more realistic. And again, the interior on this one is just absolutely beautiful. This is what Stamp and GLM does so well. They've got a great value for what they do. Their detail is incredible. The paints are absolutely stunning. And the thing I love about them the most is they're just friends of the hobby. So this is my take on GLM and Stamp. I hope you appreciate this. Look, I hope you liked the video. If you did, would you do me a favor and hit the like button down there on the bottom? I'd love to have you as a subscriber.